Precision essential for grilling, whether you're a weekend barbecue enthusiast or a professional chef. Just as mechanical keyboards attract gamers and typists for their tactile feedback and reliable performance, instant read thermometers provide speed. List 1. The ThermoPro TP19H combines convenience, accuracy, and speed for grilling enthusiasts. Its instant read sensor provides results in 3 to 4 seconds, ensuring perfectly cooked meat without guesswork. The ambidextrous backlit display is easy to read from any angle, even in low light, and motion sensing technology automatically wakes the display when picked up. The thermometer's ergonomic design and foldable probe make it ideal for quick handling and safe storage. With a broad temperature range suitable for all types of meats, it delivers professional-grade accuracy in a home-friendly package. The long battery life and durable build ensure it lasts through countless grilling sessions, making it a top choice for backyard barbecue masters. List number 2. The Alpha Griller's digital thermometer is favored for its speed and reliability. It provides instant temperature readings in seconds, making it perfect for grilling steaks, roasts, or poultry. The foldable stainless steel probe is heat-resistant, while the backlit display allows easy readings in daylight or at night. Its wide temperature range ensures versatility, and the waterproof design allows simple cleaning after heavy use. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Affordable yet highly accurate, this thermometer is perfect for anyone looking for a dependable instant read tool to elevate their grilling game without breaking the bank. List 3. The AMMZO digital meat thermometer is a reliable, budget-friendly choice for grilling and cooking. Its fast 3-second read feature allows you to monitor meat temperatures without losing heat or flavor. The large LCD display is easy to read, and the stainless steel probe is durable and foldable for convenient storage. With its wide temperature range and waterproof design, the AMMZO thermometer handles everything from steaks to roasts, making it versatile for any kitchen or outdoor grill. Simple operation and precision accuracy make it a great option for beginners and experienced grillers alike who want a dependable instant read thermometer at an affordable price point. List number. The Kizen Instant Read Thermometer excels in accuracy, speed, and usability. With 2 to 3 second readings, it's one of the fastest on the market. Ideal for searing meat or checking poultry without overcooking. Its rotating backlit display ensures readability from any angle, while the foldable probe and compact body make storage and portability effortless. Waterproof and easy to clean, the Kizen thermometer is built for both indoor and outdoor use. It also features a wide temperature range, making it versatile for multiple cooking applications. Affordable, accurate, and user-friendly, it's an excellent choice for anyone serious about grilling perfection. List number 5. The ThermoPro TP03B is a practical instant read thermometer designed for speed and convenience. Its 3 to 4 second response time provides rapid readings, preventing undercooking or overcooking your favorite meats. The foldable stainless steel probe is heat-resistant and compact, making storage simple. The backlit display ensures clear readings even in low-light conditions, and the waterproof design allows for easy cleaning. With broad temperature coverage suitable for all types of meats, the TP03B balances accuracy, durability, and affordability. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced grillers looking for a reliable instant read thermometer for consistent results every time.